Many people are reducing the amount of meat and dairy that they eat, and I've been spending a load of time working out ways to make a delicious vegan pizza at home. The two pizzas I'm going to show you both use homemade plant-based ricotta. The first pizza I'm going to make is a classic pairing of spinach and ricotta. Let's make a pizza! Here we have our delicious almond ricotta, some slow-cooked onions, sautéed spinach, semi-dried marinated tomatoes for some extra sweetness, and our classic Ooni pizza sauce. We start with a thin layer of our tomato sauce. Then we add a generous layer of onions, now our spinach. Make sure you drain this well as we don't want to have too much moisture. Now our ricotta goes on. Finally, a few of our delicious tomatoes.